About us. Compak Ramps has over 20 years experience and expertise in the design and manufacture of access solutions for low-floor passenger carrying vehicles and is part of a group owned by Truck Align London Limited. Using these years of experience, along with the latest design software packages, we ensure rapid results when working on new projects. Utilizing a range of modern materials with state-of-the-art engineering techniques, coupled with a purpose-built production line, ensures we can deliver up to and beyond customers' expectations. The product. Our range of powered products has been designed with durability and reliability in mind. The unprecedented use of lead screws for our faultless drivetrain, incorporated in all our powered platforms, has proven to be superlative in operation. Our patented manually operated products are accepted as being the most user-friendly in the industry. Compak uses state-of-the-art technology to achieve several patented designs not previously incorporated into ramps. A first-rate production team with extensive knowledge of the total build procedures ensures exact manufacturing and assembly standards with meticulous attention to detail. The service. Compak's incomparable and vastly experienced after-sales team use old-school customer service techniques with modern software and tracking systems to ensure customer expectations for aftermarket care are consistently met. Our desire to support customers is proven by year-on-year audits, evidencing in-service reliability. Our coverage. The knowledge acquired from monitoring the performance of our products operating worldwide in a variety of environments ensures we provide the appropriate product to meet the challenges of that specific market. Our dedicated sales and design team works seamlessly together to provide the most beneficial end-user experience while keeping the operator's needs at the forefront of ramp design. The future. We recently invested £1.5 million on a new production site for Compak Ramps. A further £3 million is being invested in a new site for Truck Align London Limited and Truck Door Windows Limited. The new site will boast custom-built drive-through workshops that will specialise in all heavy vehicle repairs and will benefit from having its own paint shop and oven. It will also feature 14,000 square feet of floor space and an 8.5 metre high ceiling to accommodate lorries and double-decker buses, with additional space to accommodate forecast future growth of Compak Ramps. Truck Align London Limited, Compak, can provide added value for customers in several ways. Use Compak's design team to assist in the integration of ramps into customers' new products during their development. Work in conjunction with Compak's aftermarket team on-site field to assist with any remedial work programs, something that has been done previously with little or no costs being passed on. Compak could provide a member of its own team to offer regular support on the production lines of customers' facilities. This would reduce the time to resolve any non-conformance that would normally slow production. This is achieved by a Compak engineer being on site with alternate days agreed at each site, plus the added ability to attend the site within 24 hours of a call. Desire. Our ideal situation would be to partner up with an OEM long-term, with the potential of giving total exclusivity on products designed, with the OEM specifics being core to the design brief with open book pricing. Collaboration with an OEM to design a bespoke product with open book pricing is a key objective, ultimately culminating in the installation of the product or products online with OEM branding. Compak believes communication should be at the heart of any relationship. Regular visits to customer premises and vice versa, encouraging continuity and the ability to share ideas. We look forward to talking with you soon. Compak Ramps, engineered with passion.